So I've built a class page in my previous years, and I'd like to import that material from last year into this year's class page. So I'm just going to press that import material, and the way I got there was I visited my class page, and I'm pressing the enter edit mode, and from here I have this import material button. So I'm just going to hit this button, and now I select what year I want to pull from. Maybe I didn't teach it this year, and I only taught it that year, but I did teach it last year. So I'll select last year's Intro to Programming, and what I'm looking to import right now is not so much the syllabus or the announcement. I'm looking to particularly import the welcome message that was right here. So I'll select that and save it, and now I have this message that I built last year. So that's, if you already have content that you put on your home page and you want to reuse it, it's just that simple from this import material button.